Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make blackened Mahi Mahi fillets. Our Merman's Revenge blackened seasoning, my absolute favorite to put on Mahi Mahi. As you can see, it's on the bottle. This is the best. Let's get started. We're letting the pan heat up, and while that's going, we're going to go ahead and pat our fillets dry here. We want to get all that excess moisture off. We want to get all this excess moisture off to allow the mahi to get a nice crust and sear on there and not boil. If we leave the water on there, it kind of boils the outside, and we don't want that for this cook. Alright, our pan is warming up here. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter. Nice little melt. Perfect. And we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. About a tablespoon. Finish the bottle there. And the reason we do this is the olive oil has a higher smoke point. So we get the flavor from the butter and some flavor from the olive oil. But then the olive oil is going to make it so we don't burn anything. So we're going to take our Merman's Revenge blackened seasoning. We're going to apply generously here. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and flip them over. And while we have them on the plate here, we're going to coat the other side with our blackened seasoning. Now, a lot of people are somewhat intimidated by blackened seasoning in a couple different ways. The first way is a lot of people think it's spicy. And blackened seasoning traditionally is not spicy. It's kind of like Cajun seasoning's little brother. It has a very similar flavor profile, but doesn't have all the cayenne pepper in it. And then the other thing that people get intimidated by is cooking it, which we're going to show you how to do it right here. We're going to get our pan nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and add our fillets. Nice little sizzle. Love to hear it. We're going to add just a touch more on the top. Let's see. Yeah, they're breaking free here on the pan. Give this first one a flip. Look at that. That's exactly what we want, that nice black color. That's coming right off the pan for us. We're going to flip this one. Beautiful. The last one to flip here. Alright, we just pulled these off. They look absolutely fantastic. This is with our Merman's Revenge blackened seasoning. The last thing we're going to do is hit it with a little bit of fresh lemon. And these will be incredible. Look at that. Thanks for watching. For the full recipe, please go to our website, mermansrevenge.com. And don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.